All right, I am here with an unboxing, and this is about to probably be one of my favorite unboxings ever. Obviously, I have not opened this at all. I probably should have like pre-cut the box because it's like completely taped up. But this is a package from Luxury Dupes, and if you don't, or if you're not about Luxury Dupes, you just skip on through. But this is an Instagram seller, and they reached out to me. Send me a bag, and I am so excited for this. Okay, so they, like I said, are an Instagram seller, and they have so many different brands of dupes, and they are high quality replica bags. I'm like, what I love about them is that their purchasing process is really easy and safe and secure. And their shipping, I think this shipped last week as compared to other selling platforms that take months. This took a week. And it came UPS. So I almost got into this. Gosh, I should have really pre-cut this open. But, oh, there we go. All right, we're in. Oh, it's a box in a box. Well, at least we know that my precious bag is safe in here. Okay, so all of their bags come in the boxes, except if you get a really big bag, the boxes don't come with it, just for shipping reasons. Oh, shoot. I scratched the box. Okay. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. The anticipation is so real. Y'all, this is like legit. I just need to take a moment to admire this box because none of the bags that I have ever gotten have come in a box. Is that not the most beautiful thing you have ever seen? Okay, how do I open it? Oh, it's magnetic. Look. Oh, I feel so bougie. Look. Y'all, this is my favorite day ever. There we go. It's got a little dust bag. Comes with receipts and whatnot. This, I could cry. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Okay, first impression, obviously amazing. The leather, this is like legit. It is sturdy. Oh my gosh. Let me open the strap. The chain and the weight of the bag is perfect. Let me get the strap out. Come on. This is about to be the best favorite bag ever. It's like a blush pink. All of the details are matching up there. Look how beautiful. Let's look at the inside. This is amazing. And it's even got the paperwork on the inside. And then on the inside it does say Luxury Dupes, thank you for your order. The little cards of Luxury Dupes, and then it has the Gucci booklet in there. I'm so impressed. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. The inside is, it's got the tag in it. It even says made in Italy. How cute. I am so impressed. This is amazing. This is hands down the best quality dupe I have ever received. So, thank you Luxury Dupes for sending me this. Here's the dust bag. This box is hands down my favorite part. I'm blown away. This is great. I cannot wait to use this. Okay, so I was getting the trash out like together and out of the bag, and I was like, what is this in the bottom of the bag like this? I just thought it was like cushion. And I was like, let me just cut it open. Shut up. The actual like Gucci shopping bag. This is so good. This is so good.